Ready? Today we are making one of my favorite kind of sweet dessert-ish, and it's banana, bacon wrapped maple plantains. Today we are making Hi guys, today we are making candied bacon wrapped plantains. Woo! Hi guys, Allan here, and I am in the Great Catskill Mountains up in upstate New York. We are in a campground, Woodland Valley Campground. It is probably about 5-10 miles right outside of a little cute town called Phoenicia. Definitely should check out Phoenicia whenever you guys are up in the New York upstate area, because it's a really cute town. Candied bacon wrapped plantains. A lot of you guys know I am Filipino, and it is inspired by this Filipino dessert called Turon, which is kind of like banana egg roll, and then there's like honey on it. But when I was there, I made kind of like my own spin because I love bacon. I don't eat bacon too much, but when I do, I eat bacon. Down here in the upper northeast in the New York metro area, it's hard to find the señorita bananas, which are like these mini bananas. So I got some plantains, just as good, and they are just about ripe. So it'll be good. It won't be too soft, so it'll hold its texture. It'll hold its body when we wrap around the bacon. And what else I got? I got some bacon. The bacon I got from Garrett Valley Farms, and it's actually out in New Jersey. So trying to stay local. No antibiotics, humanely raised, no nitrites, no nitrite added, and it's gluten-free, all that good stuff that we're trying to look for. How we're going to candy it is we're going to use the maple. So went to a farm festival in Woodstock yesterday. Really cute little town. Woodstock, as many of you guys know, is a big part of music history. But we went there, a whole bunch of hippies that were just hanging out. Like, I don't think they realized that it's a modern day and 20, 30, 40 years have passed. But really cool town. Ate some good food. Went to a farm festival, which is kind of like a farmer's market. And we got some maple syrup. Got it from this farm called Oliveria Farm. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of stuff on the net about them. But we got to talk to this really cool guy. His name is Van, who is kind of like the mastermind behind this maple making process, and he spent a lot of time with us talking about the science of maple and how to take it out of the tree and how to cook it and prep it for us to be able to eat it. So that's pretty exciting. Check it out. Alright, so this is a really easy recipe. 4 ingredients: a little oil, bananas, bacon, and maple syrup. If you want to kick it up a notch, throw a little bourbon in it later, and then you can flambe it when it's ready, but we're not going to do that today. So, got my grill just about, I'm going to start heating that up. So I'm going to light that up. Nickel and get that going. So, we're gonna start with the bananas, the plantains. Pretty easy, just chop them open. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna split it. Get the bacon. Let's split these in half so they'll cook a little bit faster. So they're all wrapped up pretty quick. You use toothpicks to hold the bacon, but because the bacon crusts up, when you cook it, it'll hold its shape, so you don't really have to do that, but if you want to, you can. You can just put a little oil in the pan just to all right, they're going right in. I know you guys hear that sizzling. There's something about sizzling bacon that just hits home to your stomach. I know you guys feel me. Okay, looks like these guys are gonna have to wait a little bit. We're gonna let that cook. Woo! That's gonna be yummy, you guys. So we're gonna cook it so that the banana softens up, the plantain softens up. Bacon is all crusty and crunchy. Then we're gonna add the maple syrup. So what I'm going to do now, as they get cooked, I'm going to put them to the side. I'm going to make sure that all of them gets cooked well, evenly. Oh boy, are you even ready for this?
So ready.
Alright guys, so everything's cooked well through, and I took a lot of the oil out because when you cook the bacon, you guys know that it renders a lot of fat. So we don't want all that fat at the end. So I poured it out onto the campfire, blazed my fire, and now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it back all in here. Now I'm going to have it on a low heat. Got some extra pieces of bacon too. So we got the heat going. Now we add the maple. So there's a lot of moisture in the maple. So we're just going to keep it cook it down until most of the moisture is gone. Then we get a nice thick sugary consistency. The bananas and the bacon start absorbing all that sugary goodness. You're just going to leave that on a low simmer. The maple is going to cook the bananas more, so the bananas get a little bit more mushy. The plantains get more mushy. Bananas, plantains. So the maple is almost just about reduced. It's going to be nice and thick and sticky. Ooh-wee. Let's try it. All right, you guys. Really, really simple dish. You saw how easy that was. Make this at home. Piece of that bacon. Heaven. Heaven. Bacon is crispy and sweet. The plantains are mushy. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me on this beautiful day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring that bell, because that bell is going to give you notifications whenever I put up a new video. And check out my Patreon as well. So there'll be a link to my Patreon. There's also going to be a link to my website down at the bottom to check that stuff out. Get a lot more information on my adventures, my cooking, what we are doing for our Patreon supporters, and all that jazz. Guys, thank you again. See you soon.